Hello dear student. So today we are going to discuss about the integration of 1 divided by square root of x square plus a square with respect to x is equal to log of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. And already we have solved 4 more examples in the last 2 classes. So in this class we are discussing about the 2 examples. One is x square plus a square and another one is x square minus a square. So here it is the integration of the with respect to x divided by square root of x square plus a square. Here it is x square plus a square is there. So you know the formula, the identity formula 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So here it is 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Then you can substitute here x as a tan theta. Then you will get the a square plus a square tan square theta, then a square common, then here it is 1 plus tan square theta remaining, then you will get the sec square theta, because you have to substitute here, substitute x equal to a tan theta, then you will get you are changing the x value, then you have to change the dx value also, because you have to differentiate this equation with respect to theta or with respect to x. Then you will get this x as a dx, then a as it is. What is the differentiation of tan theta? That is sec square theta, and with respect to theta. Here it is, the value of dx is a sec square theta and d theta, and the value of x is a tan theta. So if x equal to a tan theta, then tan theta is equal to x by a. Clear? So here it is the tan theta value, and here it is the x theta value, and here it is the dx theta value. Clear? So you have to substitute that value in this equation. So dx divided by square root of, what is the value of x? That is a tan theta, then a square tan square theta, then plus a square. So here it is a square as it is, and here it is the dx is there. So what is the value of dx? That value is nothing but a sec square theta and d theta. So we are changing the x value, then change the dx value as d theta and that a sec square theta. So here it is a square is common, take outside, then if you are square root of a square into 1 plus tan square will be remaining. So the next step is a sec square theta d theta divided by square root of a square will common take outside, then it becomes a, then remaining is 1 plus tan square theta. So here it is a cancel, and what is the value of 1 plus tan square theta? That is square root of sec square theta. So the value of this one becomes square root of sec square theta, and with respect to theta divided by square root of sec square theta. Square root of sec square theta is sec theta. So this whole term and this one sec theta will cancel. So the remaining is integration of sec theta with respect to theta. So it is integration of sec theta, you know already, that is log of modulus of sec theta plus tan theta plus c. This is the formula. So the sec theta plus tan theta. Hello, either log of sec theta plus tan theta. Yeah. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದದ log of x plus square root of x square plus a square. So the equation is in the form of sec theta. So the substitution ಏನು x equal to a tan theta da. So tan theta equal to x by a. Then value of tan theta ಏನು x by a. Then what is the value of sec theta? Then you have to transpose it. The x square theta is nothing but 1 plus tan square theta. Then sec theta is equal to square root of 1 plus tan square theta. So you know the tan theta value, then you will get the sec theta. So sec theta is equal to square root of 1 plus x square by a square, because what is the value of tan theta? That is x by a. Then sec theta is equal to square root of, take LCM, then you have to multiply this one, a square plus x square divided by a square. Square root of a square becomes a only. Square root of a square plus x square in the numerator, whole divided by a. So just you have to substitute this sec theta value here and tan theta value here. तो क्या आएगा? एम बरतन नोटली log of sec theta. The sec theta value is square root of a square plus what is the value of tan theta? x by a, this divided by also a. Here it is also a, here it is also a. You have to take this a and this a as a denominator, then you will get the same as in the numerator. That becomes log of the a square plus x square plus x whole divided by a. You know the property of logarithm. Log m divided by n is nothing but log m minus log n. So here it is log of x plus square root of x square plus a square, and here it is minus log a plus c. Here it is the log a is nothing but a constant term. If the log a is constant term, c is also constant term. So consider this as whole thing as a arbitrary constant or integrated constant. So write this as a constant term. Then it is nothing but the log of x plus x square plus a square or a square plus a square. Then here it is minus log a plus c. Then this whole term is constant term. So write it as a log of x plus square root of a square plus x square or x square plus x square. Both are same plus c. Hence proved. Clear? So this example asked in the last year or some previous year. This is nothing but integration of 1 divided by square root of x square plus a square with respect to x. This is the proof of this one. So the example. So they will ask with the this derivation and this example. So the example is nothing but the dx of divided by square root of x square plus 7. So here it is square root of 1 divided by square root of x square plus 7. So here it is x value is x, then a value is root 7, because you need in the form of a square 1 divided by square root of x square plus root 7 square. So root and square will get cancelled and remaining will be 7. So because a value is root 7, substitute that in the your proof. Log of square root of a square plus x square plus x. So here it is log of square root of root 7 and iska square plus x square is nothing but x square plus x value as a x. So we will get the plus c, and log of square root of 7 plus x square or x square plus 7 plus x plus c. Here it is the answer. Clear? So this is the important one. So these are we get these are 5 marks, total 5 marks. So the next one is the square root of 1 divided by square root of x square minus x square with respect to x. This example asked in the 2015 March. So you know x square minus a square is there. So the the identities are trigonometry identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Here you can substitute the sec square theta minus 1, then you will get the tan square theta, because it is x square minus a square. So you will get the cosec square theta minus 1, either sec square theta minus 1. So in the form of tan and sec, you will get the very easiest answer. So the transformation of tan square theta is nothing but sec square theta minus 1. So here it is the solution. Sec square theta minus 1 means constant. आया तो क्या होगा, बरता tan square theta. So we'll get the whole tan square theta in the denominator. So whatever the numerator में है, so we have to cancel the tan square theta. Clear? So substitute that x is equal to, very simple, substitute x is equal to a sec theta. Clear? So a sec theta आप substitute किया तो x का वैल्यू, तो dx का वैल्यू क्या होगा, इसका डिफरेंशिएट करने का. So what is the value of differentiation of sec theta? That is sec theta into tan theta into d theta. So x equal to a sec theta. Then what is the value of sec theta? Then sec theta value is the x by a. So the sec theta value is x by a. Then you can see what is the value of tan theta also. So here you can substitute this value in this equation. Then 1 divided by square root of x square minus a square. So what is the value of x? a square sec square minus a square. And what is the value of dx? The value of dx is nothing but a sec theta and tan theta and d theta. So you can take this whole thing as a simple thing. So a square common, take outside, then you will get 1 by a sec theta into tan theta whole divided by sec square theta minus 1. Either sec square theta minus 1 value is tan square theta. The square root of tan square theta is nothing but tan theta. So this value becomes tan theta. Here I am skipping one step, that is square root of whole tan square theta will comes, then tan square theta and square root. Square and square root will get cancelled, only tan theta. So with respect to theta, here the common term is there. Here it is tan theta and tan theta will get cancelled and a get cancelled. So remainings, what is the remain here? The sec theta, integration of sec theta with respect to theta. Already you know the integration of sec theta in the last example, that is log of sec theta plus tan theta. Here it is, you need to take the solution of sec theta is x by a, then what is the value of tan theta in terms of x and a? That is nothing but tan theta is equal to square root of what is the value of sec theta x by a. Then you have to take x square by a square minus 1. So take this solution as a x square minus a square. A square into 1 is a square whole divided by a square, and square root of a square becomes a. Then tan theta value is nothing but square root of x square minus a square whole divided by 8. These two solutions we have to substitute here as a sec theta and tan theta. So substitute that values here, then it becomes log of sec theta x by a. This value become x square minus a square plus c and divided by a. Here it is also same, log am divided by n is nothing but log m minus en. So take that value as a directly log of this whole thing as a numerator x plus square root of x square minus a square minus log a plus c. Here it is the log a and here it is minus log a plus c. Here it is the constant term. So consider this whole term as a c because it is an arbitrary constant or the integrated constant. Then you will get the solution as a log of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. This is your solution. Hence you will get the total 3 marks for this solution, 3 to 4, and the 1 or 2 marks for this problem. So what is the problem here? It is the x square plus 16x minus 7. So here it is the dx divided by x square plus 16 minus 16x minus 7. So this is the example as in the last year. So dx and same you have to take this as a x square plus 16x minus 7. You have to take this solution and adding something and removing something. So consider this term only. So consider this x square plus 16x minus 7. And you know already how to make the perfect square. That is very important. In last class also we have discussed that. So x square as it is, when coefficient of x square is 1 and 16, you can write it as a half of 16 is 8 and x. Clear? So here it is the 8 is there, 16x harda ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಾ 8x. You have to take that square 8 square ಅದರ square add ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ and subtract. You have to subtract that 8 square and minus 7 as it is. Here you have to take the half of 16x is 8. You have to take the square of that 8 square and you have to add it and you have to subtract it from the whole equation. अभी क्या हुआ देखो इधर ने नोट रही x square b square a square b square 2ab. So or you can take a square b square or 2ab. So it is a form of a square 2ab and it is b square. Then you can write it as a x plus a whole square, a plus b whole square. Then a value is x, b value is 8 and whole square. This term is nothing but a plus b whole square, that is x plus 8 whole square. And here it is minus 64 and minus 7. So you are adding 8 square and you are removing the minus 8 square. Minus 8 square will be minus 64. And sir, it is minus 8 square. So the difference is there. Minus 8 whole square is 64. Minus 8 square is minus 64 only, because minus is not included in the square. So minus 64 and minus 7. So add them, minus 7 and minus 64. It is nothing but minus 71. So minus 7 add किया तो minus 71. So दुश्मन का दुश्मन दोस्त. So either x plus 8 whole square minus 71. You need square format because the last question is nothing but the x square minus a square. We have to make it as a form as a x square minus a square. So either my 71, we have to take it as the square root of 71 and square. Now it is x square minus a square format. So the x value is x plus 8 or x plus 8 and a value is root 71. So here it is, this equation become square root of x plus 8 whole square and minus root 71 square. And we know that the formula, what is that? Dx divided by square root of x square minus x square is nothing but log of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. So how to remember this formula, sir? X square minus a square, x square minus a square. So last example mein x square plus a square. So we have to keep as it is a x. So here it is, x value is nothing but x plus 8 plus square root of that value we have to keep here. So x plus 8 square minus root 71 square. So here it is, root 71 square is nothing but again it is a root 71 square is nothing but what? Square root cancel, minus 71. Itna hi bachega, minus 71 plus c. Hence it is clear. So this is the main example. So we have solved these two example and very important problem also. And by the way, I am a Mr. B mathematician.